What makes the difference between people who succeed and fail on the keto diet? Let me tell you a story. Two women, both 41 years old with young children at home, decided to try the keto diet. The first woman was strict and did well the first week. She ate properly and got into ketosis. She even lost a few pounds that first week. But in the second week, she went out to eat. She did so well the first week, she decided to cheat. She drank a margarita, and it was all downhill from there. She felt guilty about her failure and continued to break her keto diet the rest of the week. By week 3, she was back to her old ways and telling people that she tried keto, but it didn't work. Now, here's what the second woman did. Like the first woman, the second woman was also strict the first week and lost a few pounds. She was encouraged. She also went out to eat, but somehow found the willpower to stick with keto food choices. In week 2, she lost even more weight. In the span of 14 days, she'd lost 11 pounds and counting. Her kids noticed. Her husband noticed. Her friends asked her what she was doing differently. The second woman never slipped up, and by the end of 4 weeks, had lost 21 pounds. She was noticeably slimmer, was sleeping better, had much more energy, and was feeling the best she had felt in years. So, what made the difference? Most people who try a new diet do it without a plan. They understand the rules, the foods they can and can't eat. They even have a variety of quality recipes at their fingertips. But what they don't have is a day-by-day plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's easy for them to be swayed by peer pressure. It's easy for them to be unprepared and then make bad decisions just because it's easier. That's why we put together the 28-Day Keto Challenge. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan to get you through the first month. It includes a 28-day meal plan to guide you every step of the way, so you're never left to figure things out on your own. Nothing is left to chance. Simply follow the plan and you will succeed. And it's more than a plan, it's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you, to see what you're really capable of. Not to worry, with the proper guidance, you can do more than you think. When you sign up for the 28-Day Keto Challenge, you'll get a full 28-day meal plan, which includes 7 guides to educate and encourage you along the way. Keto Diet, the basics. To get started, you'll learn the basics of the keto diet, including how it was developed, how it works, and who it's best for. You'll learn the 11 benefits of the keto diet, and you'll get a handy keto food pyramid with shopping list. Last but not least, you'll get 13 tips for success, a list of foods you can enjoy, and a list of foods to avoid. Eating on keto. In this guide, you'll get 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes. You'll also get snack options and tips for understanding and conquering your cravings. Eating on Keto Guide comes with a companion 28-day meal plan calendar, which shows you what to eat for every meal for the full 28 days. All the meals on the calendar are in this guide. Tips for staying in ketosis. This guide focuses on what ketosis is and how your body changes when you enter ketosis. You'll learn how to smoothly transition into ketosis in as little as 3 days, how to know for sure if you're in ketosis, when to cycle out of ketosis, and much more. Macros. Knowing your macros is something you'll hear a lot on the keto diet. Put simply, you need to know how many grams of fat, protein, and carbs you're eating each day. This guide will teach you how to calculate your macros and maintain the proper ratios to stay in ketosis. You'll also learn about hidden carbs to look out for. Keto flu. Not everybody experiences the keto flu when their bodies transition into ketosis, but some do. Fortunately, it's a temporary short-term experience. Even better, you can reduce keto flu symptoms by following the advice in this guide. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or IF for short, can be a useful tool for keto dieters. In this guide, you'll learn what intermittent fasting is and the health benefits it can provide you, as well as 5 different styles of IF you can try. Note, intermittent fasting is not a requirement on the keto diet, but it can kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. Keto and friends. As you probably know, one of the biggest obstacles to success on any diet is peer pressure and negative feedback from friends and family. This guide will provide you with healthy ways of dealing with these social pressures. It also includes a handy chart with tips for eating out and some guidelines for drinking alcohol. When you complete your 28-day keto challenge, you'll feel a huge sense of accomplishment. Just imagine, 28 days from now, you will have successfully completed the keto challenge. Not only will you feel a huge sense of accomplishment, you will also be lighter and thinner. It's not uncommon to lose 20+ pounds. Have more energy than you've felt in years. Be sleeping better and feeling more rested when you wake up. Notice improvements in your skin and hair. Probably best of all, you'll have momentum to keep going with your new keto lifestyle. To help you get through your 28-day keto challenge, I also have 3 bonus gifts for you. Bonus 1, keto desserts. It's tough to give up sugar, isn't it? But it will be a lot easier with the Keto Desserts Cookbook, which contains 35 mouth-watering sweet fat bomb recipes. With this book, you will be able to eat delicious homemade keto desserts, satisfy your sweet tooth, and, most importantly, stay in ketosis. You'll feel full and satisfied even while your body sheds unsightly fat from your arms, belly, butt, and thighs. Bonus 2, avocado recipes. Avocados are a key ingredient in the keto diet, and for a good reason. They're nutritious and packed with healthy fats. This cookbook will give you 5 unique ways to prepare avocados, including avocado fries, bacon guacamole cups, and chocolate avocado pudding pops. Yum! Bonus 3, Keto Supplement Guide. There are a number of supplements that will help you in transitioning into ketosis and making the ketogenic diet more effective. With that in mind, this brief bonus guide reveals 12 of the best keto supplements found today. That's everything you need for keto success. The 28-day keto challenge gives you an easy-to-follow plan and includes everything you need to be successful with the keto diet, both now and in the long term. Just think, armed with the 28-day meal plan, the 7 keto guides, and the 3 bonus guides, you'll be able to start strong and finish strong, possibly losing 5 to 10 pounds in the first week alone. Over the course of the 28-day keto challenge, you could lose 20 pounds or more. Good news, this doesn't have to stay in your imagination. You can make it a reality by signing up for the 28-day keto challenge right now. Click the button below, and you will make a one-time payment of $37 to join the 28-day keto challenge and receive your meal plan and guides. You can get started right away. Whether you start today or tomorrow, mark it in your calendar. Weigh yourself and write it down, because you will be lighter 7 days from the day you start. That's a guarantee. There's 0 risk to try it. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Try the 28-day keto challenge today. Then, if for some reason you're not thrilled about your decision to participate, you have 60 days to get a full refund. No questions asked. That means you could literally complete 2 cycles of the 28-day keto challenge and still get all your money back. So there's no risk to you. Do you have what it takes for the 28-day keto challenge? It's time to step up and prove what you're made of. The keto diet is the right diet at the right time to help you achieve your weight loss goals. And the 28-day keto challenge is the right plan to get you there. Click the button below to sign up.